This is a little demonstration of incorporating the various basics that we learned on 2 into the context of one given piece, dancing to whatever the most dominant instruments are at the time. So we're going to start with interchanging between son and classic mambo, and then at the bridge, the clave becomes very distinct, and then in the montuno, we're going to switch to that modern mambo and open things up a little bit more.